In this week's News from the Lake, as we announced earlier this week, Monique Snyman will run Crystal Cove, our young adult imprint. The first book will be The Never-Born Thief by Andrew Nashberg. More books will be announced later on, and we will open for submissions in August. Today is also the release of Demon Drink by Chris Ashton. It's a small-town horror novel with a lot of blood and guts, but also a lot of heart. Our latest sale is Midnight Vintage by Josh Viola and Sean Eads. It's a collection that's Slash from Guns N' Roses called Very Creepy, Haunting and Brilliant. There's also a cover reveal for The Night Crew 2 by Brad Ricks. Book 2 will be out in November. Check out The Night Crew from Amazon or your local bookstore. There's also a new episode on our Shadows and Ink non-fiction podcast where we talk with David Noon about mental health and horror. Until next time, beep beep Richie.